Kids, let's begin our lesson. We have a new friend joining us today. He is the health guardian. He will recommend nutritious dishes that are delicious and healthy. I am the health guardian. Kids, let's learn about healthy diet together. Guardian, what should I eat? Let me check it out. You need to eat more fish and carrots. Fish and carrots can make you see clearly. Fish steak. Drag the tap to defrost the fish steak with running water. Fish is very healthy food that's tender and yummy. Let's find out what kind of seasoning is needed for the fish steak. And coat it with flour. The fish steak is done! Let's move it on a plate. Heat up. All the fish gives you clear sight even in the dark. Carrot and egg noodles. Let's leave the dough for a while and work on other ingredients first. Having eggs every day makes you healthier. The dough is ready. Let's start making noodles. Noodles are delicious and nutritious food. A big bite of carrot gives you a brighter sight.